Medium difficulty animal riddles. I look like you except I have a tail. I am a good tree climber. I can mimic you very easily. I eat fruits, insects, and flowers. My favorite food is bananas. What am I? Monkey. I'm bigger than a house. And scared of a mouse. I have great big toes. And a hose for a nose. Elephant. What do elephants fear the most? A mouse. I am the biggest mammal that lives in the sea. You would be tiny if you swam near me. I blow water high up in the sky. I would be amazing to see, but I'm hard to spy. Whale. I like to grab nuts and hide them away. Sometimes I'm red and sometimes I'm gray. I scramble up trees, way way up high. Some of my cousins can even fly. Squirrel. You can hear me in grass, but I'm quite hard to see. I make chirping noises so you can find me. To move around and hop really high. If I get bored, sometimes I fly. Cricket. I am yellow and have webbed feet. I can swim in the water. Duck. I have arms that are longer than my legs. I have been taught sign language to communicate. Who am I? Gorilla. I'm a king without a crown. What am I? Lion. I join you at parties every year, but I never get to enjoy them. Who am I? Turkey.